Only bottom part is the light that's coming in, but look at this. If I open it up a little bit, that's how bright it is. So if you guys are looking for great curtains, thick curtains, large and different sizes and colors, this is it right here. Now, the material, if you guys can see, has this reflection of this blue, really beautiful color that it gives it, all right? Now, I really enjoy this part. It does have an input here for the actual bar, but it also has an extra one here on the top. If you guys can see, this is for the smaller one. So it's adaptable to either the large one or the small one. Now they give you two of them, and we did divide it because these are awesome, thick and long. If you guys can see, I have a large setup here that I use this curtain. Beautiful style. I like the color. It's thick, and we're gonna do a demo. We're gonna actually turn off the lights in here, and you're gonna see how strong and how thick this thing is and how much it covers a lot of the lighting. If you ever need extra privacy, these are thick enough to cover out even the sun. So we're gonna show you guys. I'm gonna turn off the lights, and I'm gonna show you the room behind it, how much light we have. And this thing covers a lot of the majority of the actual light. All right, I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys how thick they are and how much they cover the light. So those are the curtains. There's light on the other side. So you're gonna cover something, it darkens the whole thing. Very simple.